Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Blanca, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the new Maybelline Superstay Long Lasting Full Coverage Under Eye Concealer. So this is what the packaging looks like. They sent me two shades, light, medium, and sand. I swatched these on my hand, and this is what these shades look like. This one is light medium, and this one is sand. As you can see, light medium is more of a cooler tone, whereas the sand is much warmer and it's more of like a yellowish undertone. I think I'm going to use sand just because I prefer a warmer undertone over a cooler one. These concealers come in 12 different shades. They retail for $11.99 Canadian. So the benefits and claims for this concealer is that it's full coverage, but it's lightweight. And it features a precise paddle applicator that will effortlessly glide the formula onto the skin for a smooth, seamless finish. It claims to be waterproof, transfer and smudge resistant, and that it will last for up to 24 hours. I'm also going to be using the full coverage foundation. As you guys know, I love that foundation. I've reviewed it on my channel probably last year, I think. I've always just been a fan of that foundation. It's full coverage, waterproof, 24-hour wear, and it doesn't clog your pores, and it just gives a very nice finish to your skin. I just want to see how they both look together, and I'm very curious to see if the concealer will cover up these dark circles that I have going on. So I'm just going to apply some foundation on the back of my hand, just 3 little pumps. And I'm just going to apply this all over my face. So I'm going to use the shade Sand. And I'm just gonna do a triangle under my eyes. Now it does say to use your fingertips to blend it in. I prefer to use my sponge, but if you prefer to use your fingers, then you can go ahead and just use your fingers. It's very creamy. And feels very like soft. I love the applicator. It feels really soft on my skin. And I like how small it is, that it can really get right into these small little areas. Looks to be brightening too. So it's pretty easy to blend. And it feels hydrating under my eye. It doesn't feel drying or anything like that. So that's what my under eyes look like after one application. I feel like it brightened up my face quite a bit. It did cover my dark circles. I'm just going to add a tiny bit more, just because I do want a little bit more coverage under my eyes. I can see just a little bit of the darkness peeking through. And that's after a second application. It's very brightening. I like it. I look more awake. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup. I'm going to set it and just finish up my face, and I'll be right back and you guys could see what it looks like once everything is all completed. All right, you guys, so this is my final makeup look. This is what the concealer is looking like once it's been set and I've completed my makeup look. I found that the concealer went on really smoothly. I don't see it caking up underneath my under eyes. I do have a lot of fine lines underneath my eye and it looks pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with how that's looking. I loved how easy it was to blend in, and I feel like it also brightened up my eye area. It just woke me up instantly. So I'm really liking it. And like I said, it retails for only $11.99, which is super duper affordable. For me, Maybelline has been one of my favorite drugstore brands. I feel like they are super affordable and they get the job done, and they just leave you with a nice, beautiful finish. 2 thumbs up for Maybelline. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave and like this video as well, because it just really helps me out. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care, and I love you. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline. Yeah, stop. Blanca, stop.